What's up, guys? Check out this 1More SonoFlow headphones. They have active noise cancellation, then they have AI noise cancellation for good video calls, and they have fast charging. So if you charge them 5 minutes, they will go to 5 hours. They give you backup of 5 hours, and they actually just cost me, because I bought them on sale, they could just cost me around $63. And let me actually show you why I made this decision to buy these one. And let's see, let's open it up. By the way, this pouch does not let it press itself, so it protects, see, it protects the headphones. We have the hanger to carry it, and the headphones is okay. We have something here as well. Let me show you. Type A to Type C cable, headphone jack cable, because it also supports wired mode, and I think Bluetooth 5.3. You can also connect two devices simultaneously to it, so it is easier for you to switch between those devices, and it can actually be folded from both sides. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Look at its design. Hey, see the shine and everything, and you would say, okay, why change from Sony WH-XB700? So let me show you. These are WH-XB700. They are a bit dirty because I have been using them for more than a year, but let me show you the design. Like, look at its buttons and these ear caps, and inside these, see, and this one. Now look at its buttons, how good they are spaced, and even the headphone jack port, they have given it a contrast of red color. If I look into it, that's just black, nothing contrast. I have the button of on off here. Then inside these cups, first of all, look at the cups themselves. See, they said this protein leather. No, I don't know what even protein leather is, to be honest, but they look really good. Then the red contrast is really good, and to match it up, even look at the Type C. They have given it a red contrast as well. See, and if you look at the Type C of the WH ones, see, nothing. Like, they said, okay, let's make a headphone and just make it. No design philosophy here. The area, this, they are more flexible. They come with a carrying case. WH ones don't come with any carrying case at all. These are over the ears. These are on the ears, which are a bit difficult to handle because they keep pressing your ears. These ones are more comfortable, and overall the design is really good. Even this area, if you look at it, it's more foam here, and as compared to this one, Sony ones. I don't use them for traveling, to be honest, so active noise cancellation isn't something I'm really interested in. I was more interested in good enough sound quality, because I make them for my professional calling, and good mics, and apparently these have actually 5 mics. This is the sound that you're hearing coming directly from the microphone of my mobile phone. Now this is the sound that is coming from the microphones of these headphones. As you can see that they have filtered quite a lot, if not all the noise coming out from the outside world. So total 5 mics here, and 40mm driver, I think. The active noise cancellation, they also have a transparency mode as well. In terms of playback controls, buttons on top can be used to play, pause video, audio, attend calls, switch to next track or previous track, or trigger your Google Assistant or Siri on iPhone. So you can perform all these operations with the buttons. You can actually connect it with your phone as well. It comes with its own 1More app. Let me turn on the device. Where is the power button? Okay, it's on. I saw the light. Let me turn on my Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. First time it's manual pair, then automatic pair, and pair a new device. Let's go there. 1More SonoFlow, if you can see right here. Let me pair it. It's pairing is successful. It's telling me 60% battery. Now let's go inside the app. Let's see if it is connected. It has detected it. Let's select the variations that we have, and let's go. It is telling me it is in pass-through mode right now. Let's turn off the pass-through mode or the transparency mode. It has 60% battery left right now. You can trigger the active noise cancellation or transparency mode from here. It has support for high definition LDAC codec, and actually it also is they say high resolution audio and high resolution audio wireless certified, whatever that is. It is that. You can also upgrade its software, and what else? Sound options, like these are EQ settings. You can create EQ settings and adjust them accordingly. And what else do we have? Soothing sound. So if you want to play some sounds to sleep or something like that, you can play those as well. If I can play those. Internet is, I do have internet, so they don't seem to be loading. Oh, okay, they started loading. Okay, let me, hopefully you guys can hear them. So we have the soothing sound multiple. This is the fire ones, then again rain and thunderstorm or something like that. All right, so we have sound options, high definition codec, software up to it, soothing sounds. What do we have here? Let's see. Smart burning. What is smart burning? Not sure. Experimental features, dual device connection. You can turn off the dual device connection from here if you don't like it. Product color, contact us, and those things. So we have the app as well to keep it updated with the softwares. You can also use it, control it. You can also adjust the EQ settings from here and create custom EQs actually, so that you can adjust it, switch between it depending on what you're watching if you are into that. And what else? Its weight is 250 grams. I forgot to tell you about the battery life. It can last you, if the active noise cancellation is off, it can last you 70 hours. Yeah, that's true, 70 hours. And again with fast charge, so if you are out of battery life, just give it 5 minutes and it will give you how much backup? 5 hours of backup. So, and if you are using active noise cancellation, still it gives you 50 hours of backup. So a lot of backup again, and with wireless charging. Isn't this good? And I think it is definitely worth it. These are still $100, by the way. These are $63. So huge difference in price, and yet huge difference in design as well. These are superior in every way I can imagine. So let me know what you think of it, and let me show you the design side by side, and take care of yourself. Bye.